Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I had promised that was the last one, and then somebody emailed me while I was loading and wanted to know how you could change the color of that one word. Evidently, they're not any laser engraver, they're doing something else. And this is a little bit different, and this will only work if all your other text on the page are not fonts. This is a curve. This is a curve because it's a made-up font from Woodcraft, but this is a font. So this is the only font on your page, and you have to have this ungrouped to do this. So everything is ungrouped. Let's zoom in here a little bit. But this is a little different. You go to edit and select all text. And it'll take Corel just a second. And it's selected all the text on the page. And then let's just say you're going to make them red. And this will take just another second. And it's going to take all those black texts of fonts of Greg and turn every one of them red. So that is a little bit different, but that does work. But once again, that's only if this is the only font on the page. If these were fonts, they would change all these red also. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you.